I wanted us to do this pair. Or do you guys have any pair in mind? I don't want it to look like I only mark GBP USD, GBP JPY or gold. So I was like, okay, maybe you guys have any pair you want us to mark. We can do this Euro USD. Should we do this Euro USD?
Yeah, it's okay.
All right, so this is on the weekly chart. When you look at this weekly chart, you can see this, the trend is going up. It's going up. So it was going up here. Then from here, let's get our, we use this horizontal way. So the horizontal way from here to here, I use orange for my weekly. From here to here is the structure. This was the weekly structure. You can even see that price actually was respecting this. You actually gave us like a zone. But from here, this is the structure. So price pushed down, price broke the structure till we have, so this is gonna be our low. This is gonna be your high. Mark the chart. When I tell you to mark chart, mark it like this. Don't do any other thing, just mark it like this. And that's why I'm recording this video. I'll post it. Just mark it like this for me. Start from the weekly. You know, from price push down, then give us this high. Then this becomes our low now. Then this is now our high. So from here, price came down, price pushed up, respected here, gave us double top here. Then price came here, came all the way down. Here we had a breakout. Price breakout here. This might be news. So when we had the breakout, price came up to retest. Then we had a pushback to the downside. So price already broken this structure, this upward trend. So we are now in a downtrend now on Euro USD. We are not in a downtrend because we have a breakout. We had a push, a pullback with two candles, with these two candles. So we had a pullback, then we had continuation of downward trend. So now we don't need this one. We can take out this one. We're no longer in an uptrend now. We are now in a downtrend. So that will give us this zone. We have a zone here. So we can change this thing to purple. From here, you know what I usually do. So you come, you use your black line, all where you have your resistance on the weekly, you mark them out and I change them to black line. So here too, I mark this one out too. Then down here will be a very important part. This place too. So this zone will be the next zone that price will test. So let me just keep it ready. But I don't really trade this pair. I don't trade this pair. So this is what we'll have on the weekly. Now you see what price I actually already did here. So from the weekly, this is our zone from here to here. Why do I mark this black line? These are point of reference. Whenever price come here, we expect to have a change. So from the weekly, we'll go to the daily. Mind you, this is the recent. We don't have two candles to the upside yet. So we're expecting to have two candles to the upside. But we're not expecting price to break above here. We're expecting price to come somewhere around here, then continue coming down. Next place we expect price to come to might be here. Because price push up here, come down. No, from here, price, hold on. Price came here, push up here, drop, push up, drop. Then from here, price push up. So this is our next place here. So next. I don't know if I'm making sense to you guys. Price started from here, push up, No, this one was from here, come down, go up, come here, then price went up here, we had a breakout, then we have this low. So from here to here is this low. Then from here, we had a break to the upside here, then price drop here, come here. So no, this is actually the structure. So price might come here, then after here, price will come here. So this is what we'll have on the weekly. So when you go to the daily chart, you see price is already pushing up. You need to study your candlestick Bible. I don't know how many of you have read that book, Candlestick Bible. So this is an inverted hammer. This is an inverted hammer. So when you see, these are signs of reversal. When you see something like this, these are signs of reversal. So EURUSD is good for a buy on the daily, but that doesn't mean we just start buying. Then on the daily, I'll mark the zone. I change this one to red. Then where I have these two, this price from here came down, push up to here, then drop. So this place where you have this push up, this is where I'm going to take my daily high from. So I expect price to come here, then before going down, before continue pushing down. So I'll mark the way and make it red line, because I use red line for my daily. Then this is our zone. This is our structure. This is the structure we have on the daily, on this pair. So this is where we're going to work on. Then from here, I don't know if you guys are understanding. Like, is it clear? Is the explanation clear enough?
Yeah, it's clear. It's clear.
Can you guys do this? Are you sure you guys can mark? This is how when you mark your chart like this, you'll be very confident. I took a buy on GBP USD and GBP JPY. They were in loss, but I wasn't even bothered because I know the direction of the trend. So I wasn't actually, yeah. So when you know the trend direction, you will not be scared. You will not be bothered. Even this gold, you will not be scared. Like it gives you a level of confidence. So this is our structure, and we know price is going up, but we're not expecting price. I'm not really expecting price to come all the way here. So even as we are buying, being careful. But I expect price to come here actually. So we are buying this pair right now on the daily. So from the daily, I move to the 4-hour chart. You see, it's buying since morning. It's been buying. So all the area, all this place where you have these two touches, this is where you're going to. Once you do your daily, this is high, this is low. Okay, from here, no, the daily starts from here. This is the first one. Price dropped here. We have 2 candles to the upside. So this is gonna be my first. I'll join this candle, and I'll change this thing to blue. You just start from here, from the daily. Then from here, price broke this structure. Price broke this structure, coming down. You see, we have 2 candles to the upside. So from here, so this is the H4 structure here. Then this price from here came here, pushed up, came and broke it. Then here give us this. So this people had a support here. So this support. So when price is coming down, you mark all the support on the H4. So As it is now, I'm expecting price to come here before there will be any reversal. If I enter this buy, I'm buying to this level. So this is going to give you, now you can buy you can actually buy this pair confidently to make 80 pips. So I mean, I don't know how else to explain how to mark this chart. So I'm on the 1 hour chart now. On the 1 hour chart, to get our take profit, I change this thing to line chart. So when I come to line chart, I'll use this. I'll use since price is now going up, I'll be using blue line. I change this thing to blue. Then this one I change it to 1. Then price from here dropped. So I'll mark this peak, this one here. I want you guys to mark these things for me. Mark it the way I'm marking it. From here, this is the highest peak on this day, on this daily. Price dropped to here. Then before going up, so this is my TP. From here, price dropped to this place. Then I mark here. This is my TP. Price went up, price dropped here. This is my TP. Price push up, price drop. This is another TP. This small move, this small is resistance. You're seeing there. From here, price give us another resistance. I can leave that one and take this ones. I left this one and I took that one. Then here, rather than I can just leave this one, then mark this one. Then from here, we have this. We have this. Then finally we have this. Then I can just add this last one. So this price right now has already hit. You know, once price came to this black line, you should start buying. You know how this black line came about. You should start buying and look at this inverted hammer. Once you see this thing, this inverted hammer, you should even be in a buy. So people have hit their TP1. Should have been, look at TP1. So let's assume we enter after this candle close. This is about 35 pips. And why I don't like trading some of these pairs, that they take so much time before they even give you, before they make move. That's why I like to trade GBP pairs, because they move, they give you those volumes. So once price hits take profit, I'll wait for a pullback, then I'll enter to buy it to this, to next TP. So where you will see those pullback, you might see them in 1 hour chart or in 15 minutes chart. You can see them in 15 minutes chart. So let's assume our TP hit here, and you know this trading view and your trader is kind of different. My own is kind of different. So this number here is 13,599. So I can actually make it 13. I can make it like, I usually like make it 13. I can do 13,580, or on my broker, I can do like 13,570. Just that way, so that I'll make sure my take profit is hit. So that's how I usually use this trading view. I give room. So assuming our take profit has been hit here, so I'll wait for pullback. I usually wait for pullback. You can as well enter back here. You know, you might have a drawdown, then your stop loss will be here, because this is just hit, pullback, and continue. There's not going to be reversal until you have here. There will not be any major reversal until here. So price is just going to hit, pullbacks more, continue, hit, pullbacks more, continue, hit. So now if you hit our TP, you can buy immediately, and your TP will be on this one. So this is how we mark up chart. And I can't overemphasize this. Like this is just, I'm taking this trade now. Let me just buy it. My TP will be, since next one is 1385. I can do 1385, 138. Oh, I can actually do 13800. 13800. 13800 as my TP. I buy it. I'm in a buy now. All right, I'm in a buy. Let me also send it so that you guys will see it. Like it's not, I'm not flicking around. This gold is just, I think, crazy. All right, I sent it today. I've sent what I did on the group chat. So there is nothing hidden in this forest. There is nothing special here. If you can get your chart, then you're good. You know. Let me euro. So I just send that to the signal distance. You can save the chart. You can keep the chart if you want to trade it sometime. So you have all your take profits. The only place where we expect a pullback is on those hedge fund zone. So when price comes to that, I expect price to have a major pullback. But outside that, price will just hit take profit, then give us more pullback. You buy again. Maybe 15 minutes chart to the dance. Please, can we do good? Okay, someone is asking if we can do good. All right, let's do good before this time we finish. I've sent the chart to the group. All right, let's do good quickly. Then I wanted us to do that good because I wanted to show you guys some things that happen on good. So this is this good. I think crazy. No green move. It's not moving. I mean, it happens by this time of the year. By this time of the year, volatility is always very, very, very poor. Like during towards Christmas period. All right, let's remember like this. This is the weekly chart on good. So you know price was going up here. So this is our high. This is our low. Then from there, I can do let me get the zone. It's just the same thing. No matter any pair you're trading, it's the same thing. Then from there, we'll go to daily. So This daily, I know I've emphasized this before. Before, you know that this was our structure. I don't want to do all this this thing because of this Zoom timer. So, you know, this was our former structure here. We were here. Then we had the price came here, broke out, then gave us a pullback. You see that we'll continue to the upside. Now you see that price from here. So this was our lower structure. You see that we have a new high here. We have a new structure now. Good. Can you see? Can you see? I haven't even marked up this good. Can you see? Can you see why price is respecting? Can you guys see? I haven't even marked this good. Oh boy, this good sell. This good sell, sure. This good sell that we are on, it go sure. Blah say, I'm just marking this good now. I mean, it can actually break, like you can see from here. No, this one didn't break because the whole of this thing was within this structure. Like I'm talking about this previous, this place. I don't know if you guys are understanding what I'm doing here. Hello? Hello, I need the feedback. So see, so this was our former structure from here to here. So all these things happening here was within this structure. They were all happening within this structure. But from here, we now had a breakout to the upside. Then we have a pullback, two green candle, two red candle. We had a pullback. Then remember this was on the day we took a loss, because when I saw this thing, it was this one, this first move. See this big move to the upside. I was like, maybe price is about to break up to the upside. Then the thing just started dropping. So now we have a new high. This is what we have on gold. You have this breakouts. Then we have these two candles to the downside coming down. So this is our current structure now on gold. But where I'm generally looking at, on gold is here. See where I'm looking at. I know this is our current low. This is our current low. But see where I'm looking at, where gold will come to. I'm anticipating price to come here. Yeah, I'm anticipating price to come there. Why? Because if I zoom in, remember when we did this top-down analysis, from here to here was our structure. Then we had a pullback. We had this pullback. Then from here, price came and broke this low. Here. When price broke this low, it gave us this high. From here, price broke here, gave us this low. Then from here, we had this one. So I was actually like, okay, this is a strong place. This let me just mark this with black line. This low here, then we had a pullback, we had a breakout to the downside. Then this place now, from here to here, you know this is a daily structure. From here, when we had this breakout before pulling up. So these are the daily structure, all this daily structure. Then from here, we had this other structure here. See how this place, you see, can you see here? So now, should price break here, price will come here before dropping. But this place is a daily structure. When price from here came here, pull back, come here, then we had this up move to the upside before price broke here. So this is a daily structure. That's where price is at right now. Let me see. That's where we are at right here. So price is right here. That's where we're having difficulty with breaking out. And we're having an engulfing candle. Can you see this candle? You're having this inverted hammer. You have this inverted hammer. Then we have this engulfing candle here. So I mean, we might probably just hold this sell. So I have to observe this sell. But before I saw this two move to the downside, this sell, this is how I marked up the chart. This is how I had marked up this chart. Then from here, well, this place is where I'm anticipating. From here to here, from here to down here, that's my daily zone. Then I move to the H4. So when I move to H4, the same thing we just did on Euro USD. So from here is our current high. Price was coming this way. Give us this one. Give us this pullback. Give us this high. Then come here, drop. Give us this pullback. Give us this one. Give us this one. Drop. Drop here. Give us this pullback. Give us this low. Give us this one. Give us this low. So you see how price is moving. I mean, price came here. Give us this low. Give us this high. Give us this low here. Give us this one. Give us this low. Give us this. Okay, the same. Give us this high. Price came here. Price couldn't break above this high. Then we had a drop to the downside. From here, because this is within, price gave us this high. This is the high here, the highest peak here. Then we had a break of structure. This one came below this one. See, from here, price gave us this pullback. Then this one broke below this low. Yeah, because we have two candles here, two green candles. Then here we have this high, then we have this low. From here we have this high, we have this low. I have 10 minutes to go. So this is the move on this H4. So what I did was I marked out from here. So so from here, this is our highest peak here. So I marked out from here. Yeah, turn off your mic if you're just coming in. So this is our H4 zone, where you have these two candles to the upside. Then from here, what else did I do? I marked out here to get the wick too. Then here, from here, these are also very important part of this market. Then here I have something like this zone here, because price is going to repeat this same move. Then when price dropped here, I marked here. And I think this one actually covered for And that's where I was having issues, because this one, I didn't have this one. This one covered for this. I took it from here. I took it from this place, covered this week. So that was how I marked it. Yeah, this is where I have. This is where I have. Then from here, I go to 1 hour chart. Just the same thing we did, the same thing. Then I change this thing to line chart. And I change it to line chart. This is the highest peak here, remember? Yeah, this price move from here, give us this highest peak. Then I'll be, all my take profits, it's gonna be from, since price is going up, I'll use blue line. Change this to blue. 1. From here, price drop, this is take profit. From here, we have this take profit. From here, this is another take profit. This case, if price come here, price is gonna drop heavy. So when you have 2 candles, this resistance, then here, I'm marked here, but I didn't mark this ones inside. I'm supposed to mark this one. This is where we had that problem. I didn't mark this one. You see these 2 candles that come like this, very, very important. When you have this resistance, don't joke with it. This is what made us lose money. All that money we lost because I didn't mark this one, this 1877. I didn't mark it the other. I missed it because I was just focusing on these ones here, and I came here. I don't know if you guys remember when I said I forgot to mark something in the group chat. Yeah, you can check the chart. I forgot to mark that thing. That was where the problem, our loss that day came from. So once you've marked those take profit, you now can now come back to 1 hour chart. So you see that thing that I forgot to mark is this one. This 1877. When price came here, that early morning, price came here. And it was early morning for my time. New York session was just about opening. We are supposed to close this market. Somebody even asked me, are you sure this? So I was targeting this one. I was targeting this 1891. Man, I was targeting this 1890. Someone actually, I don't know if it's Junior, that asked me, am I sure price will come here? And I said yes, because I got confused. I really got confused. We're supposed to close this trade once price got here. So you know this is 1879. So I used to take out 1 because this is trading view. So this should have been 1876 for take profit. So we'd have taken, and this thing hit around Nigerian time should be like around 12, between 11 and 12. So you already hit your take profit. And you know when before New York session will open, we will come out of the trade. Then we will watch the direction of the market. We should have sold when we were buying, and this was how we lost money. Price actually came to hit our take profit here. They would have still won all this, you know. So I was stressed out. That's why we actually missed out those opportunities. That won't happen again. So this is what we have now. Price haven't been able to break here. Let me go on 4 hour chart. I'm expecting price to reach. Price is just in a zone. Price is just repeating what happened there, what happened previously. Price is in a range, it's just going up and down. I'm expecting price to come here. It's not this one that I marked here. So price is just repeating this move here. We will eventually have a breakout if news during high impact news. Price is just repeating this move here, or this move. That's why we've been here forever. So that's how good trades. Price will remain in a range until there is major news. It's not just any high impact news that can bring good out of that range. These things I always tell you guys, take note, because it took me so many years. Like I used to trade only gold. I traded only gold for 2 years. So I might not be able to be perfect with other pairs. I know how to trade other pairs, but gold is like I'm reading a book. I keep telling you guys. So gold, whenever it enters a range, it doesn't come out until there is high impact news. That's a major news. That's the only thing that can bring good out of here. So as it is now, I say, okay, we are going to sell all throughout this section. So when section is about to close, you close that sell, that gold sell we are on. Close out, then we wait for ACL section. Whatever price is moving, we trade in the direction. Maybe during the ACL session, price might buy. So this I will. And if you're buying, when price is in range, you don't really need all this TP. You just need to get the high and the low. The high and the low. So I'm targeting actually around here 1850. Also